Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Tvears guide is probably one of the most exciting technologies to emerge in recent years, promising to revolutionize the way we connect and interact. From immersive entertainment experiences to enhanced social interactions, Tvears offer a glimpse into the future. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Tvears, exploring their capabilities, and helping you understand how they can enhance your life. Number 5. Tvears Digital Wireless Headset System for Seniors. Introducing the Tvears Digital Wireless Headset System, specially designed for seniors and those with hearing impairments. This system allows you to enjoy crystal clear sound without needing to increase the TV's volume. It's a simple solution for better TV audio. These cordless TV headphones provide powerful, interference-free sound. A 14-hour initial charge gives you up to 4 hours of use with the included batteries. This ensures a great listening experience. The Tvears system works with almost all TVs, including smart TVs, digital, and analog sets. It supports various connections for easy plug-and-play setup. This makes it simple to connect to your existing TV. Weighing only 2 ounces, the Tvears headset is incredibly lightweight, perfect for long viewing sessions. This comfortable design makes it ideal for seniors and anyone who wants a better TV listening experience. There's no pairing or syncing required, and it features large volume and tone dials for precise control. For the best results, set your TV audio to fixed mode during installation. This ensures the best possible sound quality. What we like. This headset delivers crystal clear sound, perfect for seniors and those with hearing impairments. It works with almost any TV, so setup is a breeze. If you're looking for a comfortable and easy-to-use solution to enhance your TV audio, you should consider this. It's designed for long viewing sessions, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite shows without any discomfort. What people say. First, the installation was extremely easy, took less than 5 minutes and it was working perfectly. The headset is very light and the earbuds and width of the bands connecting the set to the ears are very adjustable. These really work perfectly. Number 4. Tvears Original Wireless Headsets. This is the Tvears Original Wireless Headset System. It's designed to help you hear your TV better. The device is doctor recommended and works best with analog TVs. Make sure the earbud tips fit snugly in your ears. This ensures you get the best sound quality and call performance. If it doesn't fit well, try different sized tips. The headset features voice clarifying circuitry with 120 dB of power. It connects wirelessly to your TV using infrared technology. Ensure there's a clear line of sight for a strong signal. You can adjust the headset volume independently of the TV. This allows you to set your preferred listening level without affecting others. The audio frequency response ranges from 20 to 20,000 Hz. The wireless headset is ultra lightweight for added comfort. It offers 4 to 6 hours of use per charge. Remember to charge it for 14 hours before the first use. What we like. This headset features voice clarifying circuitry, making dialogue easier to understand. The separate volume control allows you to adjust the sound without affecting others. If you have an analog TV and value clear audio, you should consider this. It's designed for comfort and ease of use, making it a great choice for those with hearing difficulties. What people say. Since getting these TV ears and hooking them up, he is now able to watch TV with it totally muted, or if someone else is watching they can set TV volume to meet their needs and it does not affect the volume for him through his headset. He states that it even helps him hear what is being said over other background noise in the movie, which before he could not always do in spite of turning up the volume. The actual TV can be down to mute and he can adjust his own volume with the headset, leaving the rest of us without the loud TV blaring. Number 3. Tvears 5.0 Dual Wireless Headset System. Introducing the Tvears wireless headsets, perfect for seniors. This system allows for personalized volume and tone adjustments. Enjoy uninterrupted TV watching with these dual headsets. Experience clear, crisp sound with twice the transmission power. This advanced device is ideal for wireless TV headsets. It helps you unleash the full potential of your TV audio. These wireless TV headsets offer twice the transmission strength. You will get crystal clear audio. Enjoy top-notch sound with this easy-to-use system. Discover wireless TV headsets designed for seniors. It is featherlight, weighing only 2 ounces. You can enjoy TV without disturbing others. It also provides extended use on a single charge. Tvears offers 2 wireless headsets with separate volume and tone controls. It is ideal for seniors and anyone seeking a customized TV experience. Enjoy your shows without disrupting others. What we like. This system includes 2 headsets with individual volume controls, perfect for shared viewing. It offers twice the transmission power for a stronger, clearer signal. If you and a loved one enjoy watching TV together and need personalized audio adjustments, you should consider this. The dual headset design ensures both of you can enjoy the show at your preferred volume. What people say. They work independent from the TV volume, so I can lower the TV volume without affecting his volume through his headset. These were so easy to connect to our TV. Worked great right out of the box. I love that it is targeted towards older people, which means it has to be really simple to use. It is. A great thing about it is that it comes with 3 different ways to hook it to your TV. The audio jacks on my TV were faulty, so I used the optical port and it works perfectly. Number 2. Tvears wireless headset. This is an additional wireless headset, compatible with existing Tvears systems. It's designed for those who already own a Tvears system and need an extra headset. Please note, this is a replacement headset and does not include a charger or transmitter. This is intended for those who already have the full system. This headset works with all 5.0 analog and digital Tvears systems. It offers seamless compatibility, making it ideal for most TV types. Enjoy an improved TV watching experience with this wireless headset, perfect for seniors and those with hearing difficulties. The personalized volume control allows you to listen clearly without disturbing others. Experience uninterrupted audio with this wireless headset. It features enhanced LED power and quick charging for up to 4 hours of playback. Remember to charge it for 14 hours initially for optimal performance. These wireless TV headsets are incredibly easy to use. They don't require any pairing with the transmitter, so they work right away. Simply connect the headset to the transmitter. This adjustable headset features voice clarifying technology, with easy-to-use dials for volume and power control. We recommend setting your TV audio to fixed audio mode for the best experience. What we like. This is a replacement headset, designed for those who already own a Tvears 5.0 system. It offers seamless compatibility with existing systems and is incredibly easy to set up. If you need an additional headset or a replacement, you should consider this. It provides the same great audio quality and ease of use as the original. What people say. They work great and the TV can be turned at any volume while the wearer uses these, including having the TV totally muted. Tvears allow me to hear my TV much clearer than when I try to watch TV with just my hearing aids. The ease of use that these have is very important. Number 1. Tvears replacement earbud tips, 4 pairs. These are genuine replacement earbud tips for your Tvears headsets. They are designed to enhance your listening experience, providing superior sound isolation and a comfortable fit. Perfect for versions 5.0 and 5.8. Experience ultimate comfort with these advanced memory foam earbud tips. They provide a perfect fit, ensuring immersive sound quality and total noise isolation. These are ideal for all earbuds and hearing protection devices. Elevate your sound quality with these advanced memory foam ear tips. They offer a noise-isolating, comfortable, and personalized listening experience. It's perfect for a snug fit in a variety of earbuds. Upgrade your listening experience with these innovative memory foam earbud tips. Crafted for an acoustically sealed chamber, they deliver clear sound while offering a comfy, noise-isolating fit. They are ideal for true audio enthusiasts. Get a 1-year supply of genuine Tvears replacement foam ear tips. They are crafted with advanced memory foam for audio perfection. Enjoy superior sound isolation and comfort with these replacements. What we like. These replacement earbud tips are made of memory foam for a comfortable and noise-isolating fit. They enhance your audio immersion and provide superior sound quality. If you want to improve the comfort and sound quality of your Tvears headset, you should consider these. They ensure a snug fit and a more enjoyable listening experience. What people say. Very comfortable in the ear and doesn't hinder the sound quality. Extremely happy with these, good sound, long battery life, I own 3 pairs. Been using them for a year. Syncs well to phone and laptop. Fits and works perfect. A must-have to replace worn-out earpieces, full comfort again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.